Maybe I was born to write down the song of lands known far and wide and stories bygone. It's all about this place, white mountains embrace, cold winds moving by, moved on treetops with grace. While the valleys are in green, they're crying out of the sea, bringing hearts of true love to the people beneath. And I'm thinking for the chance by God, to be the moving till the end of my life. Can you turn around your piece of dirt? Give me back the land of mine. And you wake up through the night. Wake up to the morning light. Wake up, we are alive. Take it down from paradise. Kashmir.
Located on the edge or the top of the nation, it's like a drop of sunlight or nature's creation. Rather rivers run cold in rhythmic recitation. It's the land of the ice, peace and meditation.
What a scream was done behold across 1,000 miles. It's a scream